Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mighty thistle. We'll cover its common locations, efficient gathering techniques, and its valuable uses in your adventures. This guide will help you consistently find and utilize this potent plant, enhancing your gameplay experience. Let's dive into the details of securing this beneficial resource for your journey. Mighty thistle thrives in specific regions of Hyrule. You'll find it commonly in East Necluda and the lush Faron grasslands. For a significant haul, head to Piper Ridge, where you can collect around 10 to 11 thistles. Other good spots include the areas surrounding Kodo Pond and Lakeside Stable, each offering a few plants. Kama Plateau is another reliable location, providing approximately 8 thistles for your collection. To gather mighty thistle efficiently, focus your search on grassy areas, cliffs, and around small bodies of water. Utilize Skyview towers and your paraglider to quickly reach elevated locations like Piper Ridge or Kama Plateau. Always be mindful of potential dangers, as some rich areas may have strong enemies. Remember to collect every plant in a location. This helps ensure new thistles will respawn for your next visit. Mighty thistle offers several valuable uses for your adventures. Its primary benefit is in cooking. Combine it with other ingredients to craft meals that temporarily boost your attack power. This plant is also essential for upgrading the powerful barbarian armor set at a great fairy. Additionally, you can use mighty thistle at the Kochi dye shop to create a vibrant orange dye for your armor, or fuse it to weapons for a minor attack increase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.